welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samke and I'm glad to have you guys tuned into my channel. Guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome, okay? So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook fish, okay? Fish. This is the fish we're doing today, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is to remove the scales of the fish. Use a knife, okay guys? This is what you have to do. See? They will just come off like this. See? Because you can't cook the fish with the scales. It's not gonna taste nice. You can't chew this through. So guys, you really have to remove them until they are off, right? So when you're done with removing them, it's going to look like this. See? No more scales anymore. This is your fish now, okay? So you wait for it to dry before you put everything else. So guys, after removing the scales of the fish, this is what you're going to do, okay? So you take your knife, you have to cut through a bit like this. Your fish, like this. See guys, this is what it looks like now. And then the other side, again, do the same thing. We're going to do this. 1, 2, 3. See? This is your fish now, okay? So now I'm going to heat my pan up with oil. Whilst I'll show you guys what to do next, okay? So guys, the fish is ready to go into the pan. I've actually preheated my pan with the oil. Yeah, so now we're going to take the salt, okay, and just do this on the fish. Make sure it's enough, even inside. See? So what you're going to do next is you take 1 egg, okay, and just do this. This is what you're going to do. Alright guys, and then you're going to take your fish and just put it like this. See? Like that. So this is what it will look like next, okay? So what you need to do now is to put it here on the surface and take any spices of your choice. I'm using this one, okay? You can even use flour, guys. It's still fine, but I prefer this spice. So what you're going to do is to sprinkle like this on your fish. See this? Like that, guys. This is what you do. And on the inside again. See? So now that your fish is coated with the spices, you're going to take your spatula or anything else that you're going to use and drop it inside your hot oil, okay? Just put it medium heat. Don't use too much heat because it's going to burn without it cooking fully, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. The fish is going into the oil, okay? So 1, 2, 3, go. So guys, this is your fish. It's in there and cooking. So after a few minutes, I'm going to turn it over and you see how it looks like, guys. So basically this is how you fry the fish. I'm going to show you guys the end product. Yeah, and show you how it's looking. It's going to be very delicious, guys. Believe me. Yeah. So make sure it doesn't burn at all, okay? Because if it burns, then the taste will be ruined and you won't like your fish. So yeah, guys, it's happening. You see, so I had to cut open the fish so that it cooks even on the inside. Okay, guys, later. So guys, it's done underneath. So I'm going to turn this over. You see how it looks. Look at that. See? Make sure you don't burn, guys. So this is your fish on the other side, okay? it. Yay guys, the fish is done and ready to be eaten. So this is the rest of the fish, and well guys, look at the plate and how pretty it looks. Yay. So guys, that's basically how you cook fish, okay? You deep fry it. There's very simple recipe. I'm going to actually add the ingredients in all the steps that you need to take to cook this in the description box, okay? So guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm Sandy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel, guys. Yay! Bye!